Hi folks, this is Dirk over at KennyBlandAuctions.com. I'm doing a quick inspection video of this 1984 Chevrolet Custom pickup truck. I just put a brand new battery in the truck, and I'll give you a shot of the engine. It has been sitting, I'm gonna guess maybe about a year. The truck has current license plates on it, and when I say that, I'm just saying that they're valid through June of this year, 2016. So I'm guessing this truck has run okay, but I just put a brand new battery in it. As you can see, it's in general used condition. It's got a little bit of rust here and there. The bed doesn't look too bad, a little rust in there, but not too awful bad. Alright, I'm going to start it up. It does have a 5-liter engine in it. Let's go to the cab. Ripping the seat. The odometer is reading 95,000 miles. I'm not sure if that's accurate or not. Here we go. So it starts up nicely. When I put it in drive, I get a little bit of rocking, but it does not want to drive. When I put it in reverse, give it gas, same thing. It acts like it wants to go into gear, it just won't. The oil dipstick is showing plenty of oil. The transmission fluid dipstick is showing low, so it might just be a problem with low transmission fluid, or it may be a problem with the transmission. But we're selling it in this week's online auction. If you have any questions, 812-320-0130. This truck will need to be picked up on the west side of Bloomington. As you can see, there's plenty of driveway to back your trailer in here, or if you can get it to run, you can drive it off the lot. But it will need to be picked up here on this property on the west side of Bloomington. Thank you very much.